This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Michael Amory. Discover refined living in Suffolk, Virginia. This elegant home features floor-to-ceiling trim, new floors, a screened porch with lake views, and easy interstate access. With a spacious and functional floor plan, this dream home offers the perfect blend of style and convenience. Don't miss this opportunity to embrace the epitome of comfort and sophistication in Suffolk, Virginia. Convenience is at your doorstep with easy access to the interstate, ensuring a seamless commute and endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. Whether you're heading to work or embarking on a weekend getaway, this location is sure to impress. For more information, review the details below.